morning and welcome to Monday Morning Coffee. I hope you all had a truly wonderful weekend. We had some storms and rain and sun and cold weather. One day it was 85 degrees and the next day it was 40. And one night it was 65 degrees and the next it was 30-something degrees. So I think we finally got fall, approaching winter. For those of you who have wondered where I've been, I apologize for my absence last week. There was a lot of things going on in my life and a lot of things going on with my YouTube channel as far as loading videos and different things. I do appreciate your support, and for those who reached out to find out if I was okay and what was going on. So I truly missed each and every one of you. I miss when I don't get to do my videos, and I apologize for that chirping sound. That chirping sound happens to be a smoke detector in my craft room that needs a 9-volt battery desperately, which I don't have right now. And I climbed up on a ladder up there to try to take it down. I almost fell, and I took the battery out, and then I unscrewed the whole thing, pulled it down, and it's attached by these wires, and I was going to take the wires out. Yeah, that's not going to happen because I have no idea what I'm doing. And I'm not quite tall enough just to reach it yet. Even on the tippy-toppy of the ladder, the one that says you shouldn't stand on this, that I did anyway. So, and I was scared to get up there and stay up there too long because if I fall, nobody would know where I'm at. I'd be one of those people calling 911 and says, "Help, I'm falling and I can't get up." So anyway, I apologize for that. Hopefully I can get that taken care of today. Anyway, what do we have going on this week? Well, obviously, for those of you who probably have already seen my daily devotion, for those who watch it, and then we have Monday Morning Coffee. But I have a very special message coming out in a video right after this one. I hope each and every one of you will take time to watch that. It's kind of my little reflections over the weekend and last week, but it has to do with my journal, my 30 days of gratitude, and what I call gratitude and blessings and prayers. And so I do hope you will watch that. I do have a very important message on there that I want to share with all of you. And so I had debated about doing it on Monday Morning Coffee, but I decided it really deserved its own video. So that's what it's going to be. So I do hope you will watch that. Tomorrow I have a Dollar Tree DIY for you. The one that I had planned on having last week. Since the video was corrupted, I couldn't do anything with it. I've had to redo it. And that's okay. But I'm excited about that. And then, of course, on Wednesday, it's the first Wednesday in the new month, which means we have another color combo challenge. If you've not seen those videos yet, this is a challenge that I started with Gareth Frewer over a year ago, and we continued it on this year. But this year we've added people to it. Crystal Cleveland, who is taking a break right now, but Angie and Andrew, who's Rags, Tags, and Confections here on YouTube, and of course my beautiful friend Created Home with G, with Gareth, and then Tony, who is Kate's Crafty Cottage, will be joining us, and I'm not sure if we're having a special guest this month. I honestly cannot remember, but I'll find that out. But you will see that on Wednesday, and I'm excited about these colors, and because I picked them this month. We each take turns picking colors every month. So I hope you will join all of us on Wednesday for that. Then Thursday, I have a DIY redo. This is something that I made a couple of years ago, and it is time to get a new look. And I'm excited about it. It's one of my first Christmas projects other than my Dollar Tree DIY. Whoops, I gave you a hint about Tuesday. But anyway, it's really cute project, and I really, really had fun doing this. And I hope you will join me Thursday for that. It is, well, it's just a really cute DIY. And then Thursday night, I will definitely be having Thursday Night Live at 7:15 p.m. And I will be doing a canvas, and it's a special one. And so I have missed all of you, so I hope as many of you can come as possible. Now, I am behind on watching videos, but I'm trying to catch up little by little. I couldn't watch videos some last week, and couldn't even get it to work, so I'm hoping that I'll be able to catch up. So for all of you who have videos, and I haven't watched your videos or left a comment or anything, please note that you're on my list. And of course, I do watch those who watch me first, okay? So if you watch my videos on a regular basis, I will be watching your videos first. And so that's pretty much it for right now. I may have a surprise or two this week, but I'm not promising anything if I can't deliver anything. Now, right now, I do want to give a shout out to a couple of channels. One is my friend Jackie, who is Crafty JJ Newton here on YouTube. Y'all, she has a lovely channel, and she's trying to reach 1,000 subscribers. So please go over and check out Jackie's channel. I'll link her channel below in the description box for you. She is such a beautiful person. You know, she's so down to earth, and, you know, she's just a wonderful person, a wonderful friend. So, Jackie, I hope that you reach that 1,000 milestone really soon. She's going to be having a challenge coming up pretty soon, too, so stay tuned for that. And the other one is my good friends Angie and Andrew, who are Rags, Tags, and Confections. Y'all, I can't even begin to tell you how talented Angie is. She is a wonderful artist in her own right. She does beautiful work. And if you've not gone over to check out her channel yet, you are missing something. So, again, that link will be below in the description box. So please go check her out. You will not be disappointed. She does wonderful work. Now, the last thing is, if this is your first time watching my channel and you've not yet subscribed, what are you waiting for? It's free. So go ahead and hit that red subscribe button over there. And when it pops up, a little bell will pop up, and tap that bell. Now, depending on what you would like for notifications, YouTube should notify you, let me say that again, every time I upload a video. So thank you so much for all your continued support. I love each and every one of you, and I will see you back here in a few minutes for an important message. God bless. Bye-bye.